Time. Who has time? What mom has all the time in the world? None. Well, some may do. But what about the moms that are overwhelmed, that need some breathing time, some me time, some self-care time? What about those moms? Why can't they have time? Why can't they put time aside? It's not like we have more time to give, right? I mean, we give all the time to. We're not afraid to give time to our families, our loved ones, our friends, everybody else, the stranger on the street. I mean, come on. You know it's true. So why not for yourself? Why not create time for yourself? Why not put time aside for yourself? Do you know why you don't do that? Do you know why you second guess yourself when it comes to your interests, your desires, your goals? Do you know why you second guess yourself when you have time that you want to do an activity or just hang out by yourself or play a game, read a book? Do you know why you cross it off the list, your you time, your me time? Do you know why you cross it off the list before you even do it? Well, this workshop is for you. Now, it's called the Guilt-Free Time Workshop, and it is available in the community. It is available on the website. The links are going to be below. But if you are struggling with understanding why you cannot make time, cannot have time, cannot create time, when that is all you crave, when that is all you know you need to take a breather, to regroup, to have some quiet outside the busyness of this life, then this workshop is for you, because it will open your eyes, it will help you understand, and will take you that step closer, or steps closer, to having time and setting time aside for your interests, your needs, your wants, for you, even if it's taking a power nap in the middle of the week, in the middle of the day. Yes, Mama, this is for you. So look down below in the description for the links, or you can look up there for the links. Okay, and I will see you later. Bye-bye. Oh, and happy carving time. Happy carving time out. Anyway, disregard this last part.